Credit side.
How much? 3,000. What are you going to write it down?
Gain.
Gain. We went over this many times, right? When we start accounting 1B, right, Edward? You were sitting right here at the time. Weather was a little bit different. Gain on sale, right? So that was the journal entry. The question never asked a journal entry. Why am I talking about this? Because we want to prepare cash flow statement. What's this activity belongs to? Buying and selling a machine. Hello? What is this activity? What category activity are we talking about? Investing activity. So investing activity. Investing activity. Investing activity. Cash inflow from equipment sales. Did we just finish that? Yes, we did. What's the answer? I have two answers, I heard. You know, short-term memory problem or what? Cash. Okay. Don't think too much. Cash is cash. Cash cannot lie. People lie. Cash inflow from equipment sales. Correct? All right. You sold a machine. How much? What was the machine cost? 6,000. So go back to balance sheet. If you had sold the machine, original cost was 6,000. Does this making sense? Please answer yes and no. Well, we went over this, right, about 5 minutes ago. As far as the equipment, increase or decrease? Increase by how much? 3,000. But journal entry we just went over. Journal entry we just went over. What is the equipment? No. Debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit. I even put arrow sign. That means equipment must be dropped, right? Something not adding up. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? We must purchase a new machine, right? How much was the new machine? How much was it? How much was it? Hello? No. The 6,000 that's old machine, Pratina. We sold it. I don't know why you said 6,000. 9,000, right? I'm not asking hard questions. What was the balance at the beginning? What is the balance at the end? Did you sell any machine during the year? When do you debit 9? When do you debit 9 on this account? When you buy a machine. That's all. So did you cross that out, equipment? So what I'm asking to do is, are you doing this? All right? Are you doing that? So what's left after you doing all this? What's left? Under the asset. We just go down top to bottom. You cross out this. What's left? Land, right? What happened to land, please? What happened to land account year to year, please? Increase. How do you increase land account? What do we have to do? Bought land. When you bought land, what do you need? Either cash, or if you don't have cash, what can you do? You are issuing stock. That's fine. But then another, getting the loan. Another, issuing bond. There are many choices. Right? Either pay cash or issuing order. So, okay, 14,000. Is that right? So 19,000. So in terms of investing activity, total cash flow, did we generate cash or did we use cash? You want me to ask one more time? In terms of investing activity, as we completing investing activities, all those line items, you're making a subtotal, right? In terms of investing activity, overall, did we generate cash from investing activity or did we use cash in investing? Use. In terms of operating activity, did we generate cash or did we use cash? Generate cash. What did I say last week? In terms of operating activity, you want to generate cash to be healthy. Because operating activity cash generation implies that you are generating cash within yourself. Generating cash, financing activity, meaning you are going outside your company, right? We talked about it. So, before we go to financing activity, that's the only section left. But investing activity, what do you think? Should we generate cash from investing activity? Which one is more desirable? Or should we use cash for investing activity? What basically investing activity is the activity supporting your fixed asset. Chapter 10, PP&E. So can you making some kind of judgment? I don't want to be just bogged down into mechanical accounting, preparing statement. You're gonna be what? Future decision makers, right? You are looking at this, you are making a decision. So you should be able to appreciate what's going on by looking at the statement. You are not just creating a statement without understanding. That doesn't have any value to it, right? So investing activity in overall, as we finish, in this company, the Enza company, happens to be $90,000 cash used more than generated. Is that good or bad?
It's good.
There's no one right answer to that, right? All depends. What's your company's situation? Let's say a corporation sold. So you're creating a lot of cash from your investing activity. Okay, so you are generating a lot of cash. So therefore, I like that. Can I say that? That's a very dangerous statement. I cannot say that. Why? Do you think? Can you read them into my mind? Yeah, that means your machine is getting old. Right? I know cash side might be good, but that does not necessarily good for your business, right? Your machine is getting old. Your customer complaint can come, right? Because machine is getting old, what does it imply? Your inventory you're generating, quality might be compromised or delay. Machine breaks down every 2 hours. Your workers' morale goes down. But you are the owner, I want to preserve my cash, I don't want to invest to a new machine. Right? Old machine, that's good enough. Another 5 years, you can use that, right? Because I want to preserve my cash. I know some owners like that, right? But we are in high-tech area, Silicon Valley. What do you think in this area? It's a lot faster than other states, right? High-tech, technology moving up, right? So, and also, if you do not stay on top of the competitive edge, updating, upgrading, new technology at all time, you're gonna be losing the competition, right? So here, I cannot making black and white judgment, say, only focusing on cash, oh, cash positive, that's good, cash negative, that's good. I cannot say that. I just want to share that with you. When you're reading the statement, you should be able to thinking all that. That's critical thinking. Without that, cash flow statement may not be that useful. And you get the number, so what? You can get this by hiring accountants under you, right? But you are the big boss. You have to make a decision, right decision based on what you read.